Hello, in front of me I've got EMPORIA Smart 5. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google app, enter menu and go to settings. Enter Google Assistant, voice match and enable Hey Google function. Now let's try it out. Hey Google. Now we are sure it's working, let's go back and enter lock screen. Also make sure that this function is enabled. Now you can simply lock the screen and say, Hey Google. Hey Google. What's the weather like tomorrow?
It'll be partly cloudy with a high of 52 and a low of 20.
And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.